friends, thanks for tuning into my channel. Today we're making the lightning lemonade. Look how pretty. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and of course share. Let's get started. Okay guys, so today we're making the lightning lemonade, and I've got all my ingredients here for this special drink. First we're going to start with the lemon lime liftoff. This is a great product for energy, mental clarity, has lots of B vitamins. I'm actually going to use half a serving because I'm using a 12-ounce cup, and I highly recommend getting a 24 or a 32-ounce cup. Next up, we've got Herbal Tea Concentrate. This is our fat-burning tea, low calorie, comes in several different flavors, but for this recipe, we're using lemon, and I'm using a half a teaspoon. And then I have hot water, and I'm going to put about 2 ounces of hot water in this mason jar, and it's going to help to dissolve the liftoff tablet and the tea much faster. Just going to give it a quick stir. You can crush the tablet, but I find using hot water just dissolves it more quickly. So again, I would recommend using a 24 or 32 ounce serving glass. I discovered that it was pretty concentrated when I used the full recipe in this little one, but anyways, here we go. Next up is aloe concentrate. This is the mandarin flavor. You guys know how much I love my aloe, so you can, use your discretion, put as much or as little as you like in there. Typically people use about a capful of their aloe, 1 or 2 capfuls. Then I'm going to grab ice. Now crushed ice is going to be better in making this drink, and you'll see why in a moment, but all I have is cubed, so that's what I'm doing. And you want to fill the cup to the top with as much ice as possible. This is what is going to allow the colors to separate and not, blend too quickly. So the reason crushed ice would work better is because there's less gaps, but we use what we have. So next up is we've got these new beverage enhancers, and the one I'm using for this recipe is called Blue Blast Drink Mix. So I'm just going to pour a little bit more water in, and about a half a teaspoon, but because my cup is so small, I use a little less than that. And so this is a natural and artificial flavored sweetener, and there's several flavors now available on distributors' websites that you can get directly from them. So if I'm coaching you, just reach out and let me know that you would like one of these packets. There's about 54 servings per container, and just reach out for the price. So I'm just mixing this up. As you can see, it turns a pretty blue, and then I'm going to slowly add it to my lemon lime tea drink, and it's just going to create this really pretty blue color right on top of the yellow. So clearly I don't have enough space. As I mentioned, Rachel should have got a much bigger mason jar, so I recommend 24 or 32 ounce if you're going to do the full recipe. If not, you can always cut the recipe in half, and then be sure to sip and enjoy.